traders, this is Coach Robert with a tutorial video on uploading custom trading tones to TopstepX. Enter the platform settings by clicking on the gear icon in the left sidebar. Now navigate to the Miscellaneous tab. Be sure to have the Enable Sound Alerts option checked and save any changes made. On the right, you will see a list of default trading tones. Any one of these tones can be replaced with one of your own. Simply click on the upload icon related to the trading tone you wish to replace. You will be presented with this message outlining the details of the types of files accepted. Note that the file size has a limit of 3 megabytes, and we suggest keeping the duration of the trading tone under 10 seconds. Click on Choose File and browse to the location of the sound file you wish to upload. Now click the Upload button. Once the upload is complete, you can test the tone by clicking on the Preview icon. Should you wish to remove the tone, click on the trash can icon. That's it. Have some fun and make TopstepX your own.